And right now I'm going to teach you a little bit of how to build, just the basics so you guys don't get confused. So to build, just press B. Right now that you guys press B, all right, with LB and RB, you guys can go throughout and pick what you guys want. All right, so usually what you guys want to get started off is with a wall. Okay, so I'm gonna build 4 walls around me. And then what you guys want to pick is this. Okay, the stairs. So just make a little jump, build that up. A few walls again. You guys can build those stairs. Now, usually what you guys want is not to build those stairs right away, but build them this way. Okay, change again. And this is the most common type of building that people do. If you guys want to get people confused if they're after you, what you guys want to do is build a few walls around you. All right, and then just build those stairs going up and then stay down here and get ready with your shotgun, because whoever's chasing you will take those stairs and go up because they think you're building up and up and up, because that's the most typical thing you guys can do. So to build, this is the easiest way to do it. And if you guys have grenades or if you guys have dynamite or anything like that, you can destroy a whole structure. You guys can also get out of it quick if you guys don't want to edit this structure just by hitting it. And let me just show you dynamite, what it would do. Just one piece of dynamite to the whole structure. So that's the structure that I just built. All you guys have to do is take on the bottom and it's gonna take everything down. Okay, so although that's the most basic structure you guys want, you guys also do want to pick what type of material you guys are using. So right now you guys saw that I ran out of wood, so it started building with some brick. Now you guys can choose what you guys want. As long as you guys have some bricks or just have some wood, then you guys can choose. Obviously wood, they can shoot through and destroy it much faster than brick. So if you're in real trouble, that's when you want to use the brick. So to choose the type of material that you guys want, just press on your controller right here, your LT. Okay, so you guys can go through wood, for example. I can pick brick, or I can pick metal if I had any metal, which I don't. I just have 3, which is not enough to build anything. Usually metal is what I dislike the most. It takes a lot to get it and it's not that strong. It's not as strong as brick. So just to show you, brick can withstand a couple shots. So we have 3, 4 shots. So as you can see, it's quite a few shots until I get actually through that. However, with wood, you can just take a couple shots. Well, if I had more. And there we go, we're done. So wood's not strong as brick. So what you guys really want to build up is on your brick and your wood, just for quick. Because the wood's what you guys can get really quick, and then your brick is slightly harder, but it's gonna last a lot longer once you guys are in trouble. Hopefully this helped you guys out in order to get started with Fortnite. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.